I wish I knew this sooner, like when I was a very beginner to macrame. And if you've been doing macrame for a bit and using the square knot, which is what this tutorial is about, you may want to stick around because I'm going to show you a new variation of the square knot, one in which you do not waste so much cord. The square knot is one of the most commonly used cords in macrame. I've been macrameing for a while and I still use the square knot. But with the square knot, there can be wastage because the outside cords do the knotting around the cords in the middle, meaning the outside cord lengths are constantly getting shorter and the middle cords are just staying the same length. So you can see here how much longer the middle cords are than the outer cords after just 2 knots. I'm going to give you 2 solutions for this. The first solution, which you may have already figured out, is just attaching your cords so that the middle cords are a third or a quarter of the length of the outside cords. That way, when you finish doing your knots, the lengths are pretty much the same at the end. Now, a completely different solution is doing your square knot differently. This knot I'm showing you is the switch knot. This is a different way to do your knotting. So attach your cords folded in half equally. Now you make your first square knot, and then you take your outside cords and you make them the middle cords, and you take the middle cords and make them your outside cords, and then you do another square knot. So the length of the cords is staying the same, and then you just keep alternating back and forth. So when you're done, you're going to have the same amount of length of cord left. So here's an image of what the square knot looks like, and here's an image of what the switch knot looks like. So you can decide which one you like better, and maybe the switch knot will become an option for some of your projects. As soon as I've made a tutorial using the switch knot, it will be here for you to watch. In the meantime, you could check out this video.